First, let's do a quick background on what staking is. Staking is basically a way of earning rewards for holding cryptocurrencies. You can stake some of your holdings, and over time, you'll be entitled to certain percentage rate rewards, which usually happens with a staking pool. The blockchain puts the crypto to work, with proof of stake ensuring that transactions are verified without a payment processor in the middle. This sounds a little bit boring, so let's cut to the chase. Long story short, staking crypto is a way of earning passive income by holding the cryptocurrency funds in your wallet, thus supporting the functionality of a blockchain system. Take note that not all cryptocurrencies support staking. On Atomic Wallet, we have 13 staking options that users can do. On the Staking tab, you will see the yearly yield, which is the percentage of rewards you can earn by staking. Since these cryptocurrencies are all unique to each other, the staking options and things to remember when staking are different as well. For example, we'll be talking about the hottest of all these cryptocurrencies, Sol. For our video on Solana blockchain and Solana staking, click on this link right here to head over to it. Right now, I'll give you a brief summary. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to ring that notification bell. Staking Sol expresses your trust in Solana, which in turn makes them more powerful on their blockchain. Validators get paid for confirming blockchain transactions, and they pay back those who supported them. Before you stake your Sol coins, here are some things you should take note of before you do. To stake and unstake your Sol, you're going to have to pay network fees. Because of this, we recommend that you don't stake all your Sol funds at once. Set aside some Sol so you can pay the fees. If you don't have enough Sol, later on, you won't be able to unstake your deposit. Once you do deposit your Sol for staking, the deposit will be locked. The staked Sol will not be accounted for in your total balance. You won't be able to transfer or exchange them. You'll be able to earn your staking rewards in 2 epochs, or 4 days, after staking your deposit. You will receive your staking rewards automatically every epoch, or 2 days. Unstaking your Sol will take a full epoch, and once you click on the Unstake button, your deposit will be frozen for 2 more days. Once the period is over, your Sol will appear under available withdrawals on the staking screen. Just click on Withdraw to have them deposited to your Sol address. With that in mind, let's head to the staking. Make sure you have some Sol in your account. On the left sidebar, click on Staking. Select Sol and click on Stake. From there, decide on the amount of Sol you wish to stake and choose a validator, which by default is Atomic Wallet. Take into consideration the network fees for both staking and unstaking. The staking fee will automatically be deducted from the amount you wish to stake. Confirm your password and click on Confirm. And there you are, your Sol deposit is now being staked. Just chill out and wait for the first rewards to arrive in 2 days. For more details, click on the Rewards section. But as mentioned earlier, there are different things to account for in regards to the other currencies. So, before we wrap up, we'll show you how to stake ZIL, and you should observe the key differences. The first key difference is aside from staking and unstaking your ZIL. You'll need to pay a network fee for claiming some of your rewards as well. When staking ZIL, take into account some ZIL so you can reap your rewards. Your ZIL deposit will also be frozen during the staking period. It won't count to your balance, and you won't be able to transfer or exchange them. And perhaps the biggest difference is that unstaking ZIL can take up to 24 days. If you decide to unstake, your ZIL will be frozen for 24 days before the unstaking period ends. Once it ends, all the coins will be available for withdrawal. And lastly, you will be earning GZIL while staking your ZIL. GZIL is a Zilliqa blockchain token that allows the holders to place a vote on the blockchain's policies. For every $1 ZIL that is staked, you can claim 0.001 GZIL in rewards. To stake ZIL, head to the Staking tab. Click Stake and choose the validator. By default, it is Atomic Wallet. Make sure that you are sure of the amount of ZIL you wish to stake. Take into consideration all the fees, and remember, unstaking will take 24 days. Once you are sure, click Stake. Enter your password and click Confirm. Your ZIL is now being staked. You can track it on the blockchain by clicking on the hash. Remember to allow a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. You will see the staked amount on the staking screen. From the second day onwards, your staking rewards will be credited to your account and will be accumulating on the staking screen. They will never expire and you can claim them whenever you want. Remember the fees needed to claim the rewards? Remember that you aren't paying Atomic Wallet for the fees, but the blockchain. Atomic Wallet does not charge any commissions on staking. Drop a comment below if you now understand staking here on Atomic Wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when we upload the latest guides and news on the crypto world. Thanks for watching. This is Ron signing off for Atomic Wallet, and I'll see you in the comments.